SmartTint User Manual. Welcome to the SmartTint Video User Manual. In this video, we will guide you through the actual workflow, from measurement to formula search. Calibration. Place the device on the white tile and press the calibration button. Then move it to the black and white tile to complete the calibration process. Wi-Fi connection. Open Settings and go to Wi-Fi. Turn on Wi-Fi and select a network. Once connected, a green dot will appear next to the network name. Color measurement. From the home screen, tap New Job to start. Place the device on the surface and start measuring. All three buttons will remain green during measurement. You can adjust the number of measurements from 1 to 12. Save job name. After measurement, tap the pencil icon to rename the job. Using a color code in the job name makes it easier to find later. Cloud upload. Check the job name and tap the cloud icon to upload measurement data. Make sure Wi-Fi is connected before uploading. After uploading, the data can be viewed in Auto S&C. Wired upload without Wi-Fi. Measurements can still be performed even without Wi-Fi. Use the Bridge app to transfer measurement data to the cloud. Connect the device using a USB cable and upload the data through the Bridge app. Formula search. Open Auto S&C and start formula search. Select the paint type, choose the job, and apply filters to search. Central lab formulas, local user formulas. Understanding results. Search results are displayed by score and color status. Green means good, yellow means blendable, and red means poor. Formula selection. Here is how to select a formula. Select the formula with the lower automatic correction score. If the original score is under 1.0, automatic correction will not be applied. Spray out and result check. Prepare a spray out card using the selected formula. After spraying, tap Measure to launch the Bridge app. A USB cable connection is required for measurement. Save recipe. Make sure to save your recipe. Unsaved data will be permanently lost. Saving the recipe stores it as a local formula and builds a versatile database in the cloud. Smart Correction. Smart Correction is an AI feature applied after autocorrection. When toner limitations exist, the AI recommends a single solid toner, not included in the original formula, to reduce color differences. Color data. Let's take a look at the color data. Delta L represents brightness. Positive values indicate a lighter color, while negative values indicate a darker color. Delta A represents the balance between red and green. Positive values indicate more red, while negative values indicate more green. Delta B represents the balance between yellow and blue. Positive values indicate more yellow, while negative values indicate more blue. Finally, Delta C represents particle size. Positive values indicate larger particles, while negative values indicate smaller particles. Color plot. Let's look at the color plot. Based on the color difference values, data points are plotted relative to the center target. This turns complex numerical data into an easy-to-read graph. Widgets for 3 distinct angles, 15 degrees face, 45 degrees mid, and 110 degrees flop. Edit recipe. Next is the new Fine Adjustment feature. Edit recipe lets you adjust toner ratios based on color difference values, making it possible to predict color results without a physical spray-out card. Color swatch. Finally, here is the color swatch. Images captured by the device allow you to visually inspect overall color tone and metallic effect particle texture. Filter settings. We have looked at the 3 core widgets of SmartTint. Other additional widgets can be viewed in the following screen captures. For all widget configurations, you can customize your view. Hover over the header, right-click, and select the data you want to display. This concludes the SmartTint user manual. Thank you for watching.